a satellite galaxy of our own Milky Way. Notice the large Magellanic Cloud is 1,000 light years across. If a light year is equal to 5,890,000,000,000 miles, how many miles across is the large Magellanic Cloud? Well, we're given that this Magellanic Cloud is 1,000 light years. So let's start there, and let's write that in scientific notation as 1.0 times 10 to the third light years. Now we're going to take that and we're going to multiply it times our 5,890,000,000,000 miles in a light year. So we're going to write that as a 5.89 times 10 to the, that's going to be a 369 12th power. And our units here are 5.89 times 10 to the 12th miles per light year. Now as we multiply these, light years on top is going to cancel light year on bottom and leave this answer in the unit of miles, which is what we're looking for. As we multiply numbers in scientific notation, let's multiply their numeric value out front first. And 1 times 5.89 is 5.89. Now let's multiply our tens raised to their corresponding powers. 10 to the third times 10 to the 12th, adding exponents, is 10 to the 15th power. And the unit on that is miles. So the distance across this large Magellanic Cloud is 5.89 times 10 to the 15th miles.